Pakistan Army Chief Asim Munir's statement on Kashmir continues to receive applause from across the line of control, and more all-party Hurriyat conference leaders saying that it has infused a new spirit in the freedom movement going on in the occupied Kashmir for the past many decades. Hurriyat leaders Sayyid Bashir Andrabi, Khwaja Firdaus, Ghulam Nabi War, Zamruda Habib, Islami Tanzeem Azadi Jammu and Kashmir, Political Resistance Movement Chairman Jamil Mir and Young Men's League Chairman Mirajuddin Sheikh in their separate statements in Srinagar said that the Army Chief's speech at the Pakistan Military Academy Kakul truly reflects the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. India's dreaded National Investigation Agency raided and searched several houses in different areas of the territory. Multiple teams of the NIA along with the Indian Central Reserve Police Force personnel raided over a dozen houses of Hurriyat leaders including Yasmin Raja and pro-freedom activists and terrorized the inmates in Srinagar, Pulwama, Islamabad, Kulgam, Baramulla, Jammu and Poonch districts. National Conference leader Umar Abdullah has termed the upcoming G20 meeting in Srinagar a tamasha. Umar Abdullah in a statement said that the preparations for the same are causing inconvenience to the people of the Kashmir Valley. National Conference President Farooq Abdullah has taken a dig at the Bharatiya Janata Party for being involved in effecting a demographic change in occupied Kashmir, saying that the outsiders being settled will take our land and jobs one day. A mysterious blast took place in Jammu district, causing panic in the region. The blast occurred at Transport Nagar in Narwal area of the district. Initial investigation suggests that a leaked Indian oil tanker might have caused the blast due to short circuit, and there were no indication of militant involvement, said the police officer. Congress has sought answers on revelations of Satyapal Malik, the former governor of occupied Kashmir, regarding the Pulwama attack. Addressing a press conference at the party office in Jammu, the Congress leader, Lieutenant Colonel retired Anil Duhan, questioned the silence of the Modi government on the serious issue that claimed the life of 40 CRPF soldiers in Pulwama in the wake of startling disclosures by Satyapal Malik. An interactive youth awareness seminar titled Patriotism, Nationalism and Subnationalism under Aegis of Institute of Multitask Dialogue, Development and Diplomatic Studies was held in Muzaffarabad. The event was aimed at providing an opportunity for youth leaders of Azad Jammu and Kashmir to play their role for unity, brotherhood and patriotism when fifth-generation youth leaders were apprised about both challenges and opportunities of digital when communication technology is a potent and lethal weapon to demolish the basic fabric of unity, brotherhood and patriotism.